Hello everyone, benvenuti a tutti. Today we are going to discuss 4 more verbs that foreigners do not know, do not use enough. It might be very helpful to improve your vocab, but also to pass full marks an exam of the Italian language, okay? Not any exam. We're not here dispensing knowledge, general knowledge, on other stuff. All right, so number 1, travagliare. Okay, so if you Google the word travaglio, that is labor, okay? That's not labor as in lavoro, that's specific labor for pregnant women when they deliver, partoriscono the babies, okay? So, travagliare has nothing to do with that. It has more to do with to worry, okay? To worry, to torment, okay? Sono in travaglio emotivo. I'm in emotional labor, okay? In travaglio emotivo. But also, lui ha avuto una vita tormentata, travagliata. Same exact thing, okay? So, I guess that we use more this verb as an adjective, so we're going to pick the past participle of this, which is travagliato, and make it work and in sentences as an adjective, okay? So, lei ha avuto una vita travagliata. Lui ha avuto una vita travagliata. Vita travagliata always goes together, okay? It's a nice fixed expression that you can always use. Travagliare. Okay, number 2, divinare. I guess this will be good for instance, describing the ancient Romans, okay? To divine, to foresee the future, okay? Divinare. But also, you know, you could argue that with when you make a prediction, for instance, okay? When you make a prediction, you are stai divinando, okay? Stai divinando. Okay, number 3, sgusciare. So the guscio of something, guscio, the word guscio refers to the, I want to say, to the shell of something. For instance, that could be used for mussels, the seafood. That could be used for nuts, okay? So the shell of nuts would be guscio. Sgusciare, it's not to remove the guscio, which is also, literally that's what it is, right? But it is also to sneak out, sneak away, sgusciare. It's a nice, cute way. For instance, cats, when they evade your attempt to trap them, okay? In a nice way, not in a nasty way, okay? Cats sgusciano via, okay? So, I gatti sgusciano sempre via. I don't know, depends on the cat that you have, I guess. But point being is sgusciare, okay? You wouldn't say that for migrants, okay? That's a cute verb. It has a sort of almost pretty connotation, if that makes any sense to you. So sgusciare is more for something small. It's not for a crime. It's not for a heavy situation by any stretch of the imagination, okay? So sgusciare. So number 1, travagliare. Number 2, divinare. Number 3, sgusciare. Number 4, okay, trafugare. Now, trafugare, to steal. But the kind of things you steal is making this a very specific verb, because trafugare is mostly used for, number 1, corpses. You heard that, right? Corpses, okay? Number 2, pieces of artwork, okay? Those are primarily the 2 circumstances in which you would use trafugare. Otherwise, you don't really use it. To just say to steal, to rob, for instance, that's just rubare, okay? Trafugare is for corpses, okay? For instance, la tomba di Evita Peron è stata trafugata, okay? The grave of Evita Peron was stolen in the sense that the corpse was stolen, moved all around, okay? L'opera d'arte è stata trafugata dal museo, okay? So, one very important pieces of our work that are stolen, those are trafugati, okay? And it has to happen in very obscure circumstances. And trafugare, corpses, cadaveri, okay? Cadaveri, corpi, morti, trafugare, okay? That's it, guys. I hope that helps and that you have enjoyed this video. And if you have, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Go ahead and hit the notification bell, and we'll catch up next time in a new video. Ciao!